Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking your technical base. Pick the project's color space and confirm your monitor profile. Once done, turn off any applied LUTs so you work non-destructively. Use a neutral reference frame to correct white balance and balance exposure by adjusting lift, gamma, gain, or shadows /midtones /highlights. Make sure to use waveform and parade scopes during these moves so you hit proper legal levels. This prevents clipping and gives you an accurate canvas for creative grading. You now shift from primary fixes into targeted refinement. Start by dialing contrast and global saturation, then shape the look with lift /gamma /gain or shadows /mid /highlights. This builds dynamic range. Next, isolate subjects with masks or chroma keys and refine skin tones using hue versus hue and hue versus saturation curves to avoid unnatural shifts. Once balanced, apply a creative LUT or film emulation sparingly, blending it down to preserve. You finish by polishing. Add vignettes, sharpening, and grain subtly, then recheck levels on scopes to ensure no illegal clipping. Once done, export a short proof in the target codec and view it on the reference display and a consumer screen to confirm the grade holds up. If colors look off after export, make sure color management settings match source and timeline, relink original camera files, and reconform any mixed frame rates. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched color space is the most common cause of shifts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.